Good morning, everybody. Welcome to join our welcoming section today. We are the International Association of Microsoft Channels Partners. We are honored to invite our new members from sa.global, Mr. Eric Lau and Mr. Ivan Shu, today to share a little bit about their company, the reason to join the IMCP, to let us have some understanding about themselves. And of course, we have some chances to interact with them in the coming days. Okay. Okay. Hello. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Ivan, and also
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Okay. So today we are
Morning, Aaron.
we are very happy also, because every time I'm saying happy, because it's really come from my heart. Okay. We invited our Malaysia IMCP chapter vice president to say something, to deliver the welcome speech to welcome our new member. So maybe I pass the time to Mr. CK Lu. CK, can you say something, say hi, and then deliver the welcome speech? Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Aaron. So thank you for having me in these sessions. First of all, my name is CK. I'm from IMCP Malaysia. So today, as all of you know, it's actually a welcome session for our new member in IAMCP GCR. So we have Edward Lau again, welcome, and also Ivan Shi. Okay, both of them are actually the Partner of the Year finalists, okay, for 2023. So we really hope that with the onboarding of these two members, we can grow IMCP, whether it's GCR, whether it's Malaysia, Singapore, ASEAN. So we hope that we can grow the membership at this region, right? When I say this region, it's really like Asia, to be more active, and then even more active with the participation with all these members. So again, a big welcome to Edward and Ivan. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, CK. And also, I want to take 1 minute or a little bit more to talking about IMCP, because maybe some of you guys may not have a clear understanding about IMCP. Okay, so actually, IMCP is the International Association of Microsoft Channel Partners. It's the largest Microsoft organization community in the world. So that's why we have the different members from different countries, no matter it's the North America, EMEA, Asia Pacific, Greater China region. So that's why we have a lot of the chances to interact with each other, no matter talking about the shared technologies, or maybe we invite the Microsoft people to talk a little bit more about their priority. Just like we know that we finished Microsoft Inspire a few days ago, so that's why we have a lot of the strategy working together. So if you're in the IT industry, you are welcome to join the IMCP. So that's why we have the more chances to interact. And also, I am stationed in Hong Kong, and I'm the representative of the Greater China region. So that's why we have the regular event, online event, or even the physical event, to invite different kind of the guests to talk something about the social issues, something about the technology, something about the industry focus and something like that from time to time. So that's why you guys can also go to our official website to have a look, and then if you feel interested, feel free to drop us an email. And also, if you are interested to talk to some of the guest speaker, you are welcome to let us know. We will make the arrangement for you. So this is something I want to share with you about the IMCP. So maybe I really want to pass the time back to our new member, Eric, and also Ivan. So Eric, may I pass the time to you to talk a little bit more about maybe yourself, maybe talking about strict goals to the sa.global.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Aaron, and thank you, CK. Good morning. Good Friday, everyone. Actually, it is our great pleasure for sa.global to join IMCP, the big family, right? Well, to me, it is a really good platform, I believe, and so it is our honor to join the committee and the family and working with all you guys, right? So, and also, thank you, Aaron, for giving us a chance, an opportunity to sharing ourselves and to know each other, and looking forward to work closely with all of you. All right. So So my name is Edward Lau, and actually I'm the ASEAN COO of SA Global. And today, and one of my colleagues, Ivan actually is our China country manager, and Ivan will introduce our focus for this year, so you will know more about what we do. All right. So first of all, maybe I'll give a quick introduction to all of you about SA Global. Some of you may heard about our name, some of you may not, right? Actually, SA Global, our headquarters from Europe, but we're very focused working with Microsoft for more than 50 years. Okay. So just quick introduce myself and Ivan. All right. So you may be interested what we are doing. Okay. Actually, as a global, we are focused on 3 different areas. First of all, we are doing business transformation. So we are not just saying digital transformation, but we are doing business transformation. The reason is SA Global. SA actually means system advisory. So we're doing advisory on to help enterprise, from SME to enterprise and to government, doing business transformation, for example, doing the cloud migrations, doing the cloud technology. And even now, we're talking about AI, right? And actually, as a global, we have an AI lab. So we are working on some AI innovation on Microsoft technology. For example, we are working on some AI function for the project operations. For example, regarding to the resources allocations, and we are also working on the Copilot for the enterprise application, for example, D365 and Power Platform. And the second thing we are doing is we are doing the vertical solutions. We provide very dedicated vertical solutions for project-based industry. When I say project-based industry, it includes law firm, marketing firms, construction company, architecture companies, IT companies also. It is a project-based, right? And also in China, we are doing CRO also. CRO means contract organization, which means is biochemical related. So this is all project-based industry. Ivan will share with you more about our vertical solution on project-based industry. And finally, we are doing a lot of global rollouts because we have a very good footprint in the global, and we do a lot of global rollout across Asia, United States, and Europe. Okay, and we are focused on Microsoft, so enterprise solutions and on Asean's cloud. All right, so just give you more information about SA Global. And currently, we are supporting more than 800,000 Microsoft Dynamics users around the world, and we have more than 1,000 employees across 25 countries. And one thing interesting is we actually our average years of experience of our consultant is more than 10 years. So we do have a very strong experience supporting Microsoft Dynamics users, and in different industry. As I mentioned, project-based organizations, retail chain manufacturers, right? And and we are really focused on Microsoft. We are 100% on Microsoft stack. So as I mentioned, one of our focus is we are doing global rollout. So the reason why as a global we are substantially in the past 30 years is because I think we have strong footprints to help MNC to expand their business. For example, in Asia, we do a lot of we do two kinds of rollout. Number one, we have a lot of European or US client, they expand their footprint to Asia, to Singapore, to China, right? So we help them to do a global rollout. So put everything on the same platform and using Microsoft technologies, doing the finance consolidations and all those stuff. And also these 2 years we are very aggressively expanding our footprint in Asia. So we do a lot of Asia project, and start from Singapore, start from Hong Kong, China, and then we roll out to Japan, Taiwan, and going back to Europe and United States. So and actually we are all our customer is backed by our 3 different global service centers. One in Asia, the other one is in Europe, and one is in America. And our global service support center, we support 24/7, so it's around the clock support to our customers to make sure that the business is non-stop. Okay, and well, this year's we have already 11 years of the winner of the Partner of the Award, and this year's we are really proud of it. We have become one of the finalists of the Partner of the Year's Award on the Dynamic 365 Finance. So so thank you very much for all the support from Microsoft, from our partners, from friends, and we will continue to try our best. And then after saying that, let me talk about our financial year 23 and 24 focus. So we have 3 major focus, and let me pass to Ivan. Ivan is our China country manager, and he will explain to you more about our focus in all these 3 areas. So Ivan, thank you.
Thank you, Edward. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, CK. I'm very happy to join this session. Okay, let me do a short introduction for myself. I'm Ivan Xu from the sa.global China. Okay, I have about 20 years experience on the Dynamics industry. In 2003, I joined Dynamics career as a consultant. Okay, and and of course, I'm very happy to be in the Dynamics community. Okay, Edward, next slide. Okay.
Yes.
For the fiscal year 23 and 24 focus, we have the 3 priority. Okay, the first priority is the Dynamics 365 project operational and professional service automation. Okay. Second priority is Asia Pacific region rollout and management service. The last one is the Empower Finance transformation. Okay. For each priority, we have each slide to support. For example, for the first priority is a project operation and professional service. Okay, because for the sa.global, we are professional ISV provider. Okay, we have our products, our IP. Of course, our IP is based on the Dynamics platform. Just like this slide, we have 2 major IP products. The first one we call the Evergreen. Evergreen based on the Dynamics Finance and Dynamics Project Operational. Okay, these products we also can drive the business excellence and growth. It's a transaction layer engine for us. This product can support a lot of different industry across the professional service. For example, for the architectural industry, construction industry, engineering industry, and CRO, the contract research organization. Also for the legal firm, accounting consulting service, and IT service consulting service. So this product will focus on the professional service. They can provide a lot of the functionality including the project management and project governance and timesheet support, submit and approve. We also provide a lot of functionality about the resource planning and how to build the work breakdown structure. Okay, so this solution can cover all aspects of the professional service about the project-based industry. Okay. Our second product we call the Empower IP. The Empower IP is built on the Dynamics customer engagement and also based on the Power platform. Also work with the Microsoft Teams. Okay, so just take a look at this Empower. The Empower will enhance and enrich the user experience. Okay, so on the right you can look at our Empower can empower our company. Okay, Empower our company will report a lot of the functionality. For example, the management reporting, the business intelligence, analytics and insights. Okay, of course, our Empower can integrate it with the Microsoft, the Power BI. Okay, so you can get the dashboard immediately. Okay, of course, our Empower also provide the workflow automation. Of course, it can increase the efficiency on the daily operation. The second pillar for our Empower is empower our employees. We also provide a lot of collaboration tools. Okay, we also provide AI-powered virtual assistant. Okay, this assistant can help you to manage a lot of daily activity. For example, you can remind you to submit the timesheet. Also can help you to find the target invoice or some documentation. Yes, of course, our Empower also provides mobile apps. Okay, as you know, currently everyone uses mobile to do their business. Of course, we also provide the mobile app, so our employee can use their mobile app to manage their daily activity. The next one is our Empower also can empower our sales team because our Empower is built on the customer engagement. Of course, they also provide a lot of functionality on the CRM. Okay, and the customer relationship management. Okay, that's our key offering. Our vertical solution is Evergreen and Empower. Okay, next slide, everyone. Okay, our second priority is to do the regional delivery, the routes. Of course, we also can provide global routes. Okay, but currently we just focus Asia Pacific. So of course we can provide the Asia Pacific the route. Okay, why? Because we have the capability to do that. In the Asia Pacific, we have the 11 countries, the presence in the Asia Pacific region, almost covered the entire the Asia Pacific region, from Japan, China, India, Hong Kong, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, and Australia. Of course, if we have opportunity need to route in the Asia Pacific, of course, the sa.global will be the best choice, the best partner to support the whole region. Of course, we also can provide the management service. As you know, when our dynamic system go live, dynamic system also is a cloud system. They need continuous support service. Okay, so sa.global also is the best choice because we have the 3 global service center. The first global service center located in India. In India, we have about 300 professional consultants, both functional and technical. Okay. In Europe, we also have another the global service center to support the Europe in the East Europe. Okay. In the North America, we also have another the global service center to support. So in 3 different time zone, we can support many service, 7 plus the 24 and 365 days availability. Okay, so we can provide the entire time zone, entire region for our global customer. Okay. And next slide, Edward. Okay. The last priority is to do the finance transformation. Why? Because we have our products and IP on this. Okay, just take a look at this screen, this slide. You will find, of course, we have a lot of the dashboard and analytics report. Okay, this Empower Finance is a package from the sa Global. Okay, so for every customer, every Dynamics customer, they can leverage our Empower Finance. As you know, for finance industry is not like the other supply chain. Almost all the customer, they also need to apply the international accounting standards. Okay, so it's very easily to apply our Empower Finance. Okay, so you can spend less time crunch numbers and run reports. You can spend more time on your high value process and your company strategy. Okay, so I think is perfect for us to do the finance transformation. Okay, we just take a look at this slide. For example, the first slide, you just can look at the group profit and loss report. You can get this dashboard. This dashboard is the real-time dashboard. Okay, so you can get your business in real time. Okay, the second is the balance sheet. You also can look at the cash flow. Okay, so you can get the whole overview of your company. Okay, yeah. And next slide, yeah. This slide, because I from the sa Global channel, okay, so I just want to emphasize some offering from the sa Global channel. Okay, we entered in China 2009. We implement a lot of major projects for the global brands. Okay, so we accumulate a lot of expertise and IP. Okay, for example, the first section is about the Dynamics IP from the China. Okay, for the Dynamics, the 365 Business Central, we can provide Chinese language pack. We also can provide a China localization pack. Okay, for the finance and operation, we provide a simplified warehouse management system. The handheld devices app. Okay, it's not like the complex standard the warehouse management. Okay, because some company may select the simplified warehouse management. Okay, the second section is about the consulting service offering. Okay, we list several of them. I just want to emphasize, first, we can do the global route for China, for finance and operation, and the BC. Of course, we also can provide the service on the local legal requirement and the China localization service for the F&O. We also can provide the golden tax integration, implementation, and support. Of course, we also have a lot of experience, expertise on the integration between the Dynamics and the 3-party banks, and the integration between the FO and the third-party warehouse management system. Okay. The last one, because in the last several years, I know the Power Platform is very popular across the Dynamics community. Okay, so we built a mass data management solution empowered by the Power Platform. Okay, also is our expertise. And next slide. Okay, sorry, I'm a bit late. Okay. Of course, for the financial transformation, we have a very beautiful the playbook. Okay, we can share this CFO playbook with our audience. Okay, what you need, just scan the barcode. The barcode. Okay, you can get this documentation. Okay, this documentation also include some expertise, some knowledge and experience from SA Global. For example, the SA Global success model. Okay, you can get some insights and guidance how to do the CFO. Yes. Next slide. Okay, that's all. This slide, we leave the contact email. One is Edward. Edward is our Asean COO. Okay. The second is my email address. I'm from the country. I'm a country manager from China. Okay. If you have any questions, of course, you can contact both of us. Okay. We are happy to be here to join any discussion about the dynamics about your opportunity or business. That's all from my side. Edward, do you have anything else to share? Yeah.
Thank you, Ivan. Thank you, Ivan. I think this is pretty good overall introduction about SA Global and our service in Asia. So, any one of you, if you have any interest, and we are welcome to work closely with you guys. All right.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Ira, and also Ivan. Actually, we do have a few questions because after your presentation, we truly understand you have a very good coverage in the Asia Pacific, and then you have the managed service, and also on top of the D365, you have some kind of the vertical. So that's why the customer can make use of your solution immediately. So there's so many benefits for the customer, and also maybe you are looking for some partner working with you together. I want to ask the first question is to Ivan. Okay, I truly understand there's a lot of the organization, no matter locally in China, maybe in the global space, to try to deliver the solution, especially the Microsoft solution in China. Yeah, can you tell us a little bit about what's the competitive advantage? So that's why your customer, maybe your partner, is considered to work with you together to provide the solution or service or consultation or whatever in China. Can you tell us a little bit about your point of view?
Okay, thank you, Aaron. I think it's a very good question. Okay. Compare the other local partner, I think SA Global has more advantage. Okay, I just list several of them. The first one, SA Global is a global Microsoft inner cycle partner. We have proven implementation methodology. We also have flexible and powerful project management and governance tools. Okay, we also have the internal technical quality assurance policy, so we can provide high quality and consistent service for our clients in China. Okay, I think this is the first advance from SA Global. The second, I think we entered China in 2009, and over the past 14 years, we have implemented many major projects for many global brands in China. We accumulate a lot of knowledge and experience to address all kinds of the local legal requirements and the local common best practice. The last one, SA Global is a 32 years history consulting company. I think it's long history. Okay, we implement a lot of projects across all kinds of industry and across the entire world. So China team can leverage the related the industry expertise and knowledge to our clients in China. Okay, so of course we also have the other advantage, for example, for our talents. Okay, and experience. But I just emphasize the three of them. Okay, thank you, Aaron.
Okay, thank you so much. I do believe that if I were the customer, I'm more interested to first of all talk to you, seek for your comment before looking
Yes.
for other solution provider, something like that. I believe that CK also has a question. Okay, CK, I pass the time to you.
Sure, thank you, Aaron. Thanks. Actually, my question is actually towards Edward. Okay, so I believe after the sharing from both Edward and Ivan, many of us also would like to know what's the plan, right, for SA Global, especially in ASEAN. Okay, the priority that SA Global have in ASEAN, what are you planning to do and things like that? Can maybe Edward share with us?
Okay, thank you, CK. Okay, well, actually, it is a very good question. I think Asian market, it is one of our focus of the company, because even though our headquarters in Europe and also we have good presence in US, but we understand that the new playground will be Asia, right, in the coming years. So that's why we put a lot of investment in Asia Pacific and even Southeast Asia. So for myself, I'm based in Hong Kong, but I spend half of my time in Singapore. And then so you see how we put Asia market or ASEAN is one of our strategic market for Asia Global. So to answer the question, first of all, we have a very strong team in ASEAN market. So I mean, not including Hong Kong, we have team in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, and really strong team can speak different language, right? From the local language, and even from Japanese to French, and we have people can speak all those local language in Asia, and also we have a lot of localization on a specific industry, not just the professional industry, as Ivan mentioned. And we did a lot of very good retail training. We do a lot of train store. For example, they have more than 1,000 retail train store across the APAC regions in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. So, and then I think one thing is really important is we provide a dedicated managed service to our client to support on a 27/4 around the clock support service. I think it is very important to support the business continuity. So it is, I think it is one of our focus in Asia Pacific or ASEAN market. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing. So that's why we do have a lot of chances. I do believe the IMCP partner, no matter they in the ASEAN, the Greater China, they have the chances to work with you together to close the deal to do more business, and especially because you already have some kind of the solution, it is a very impressive. So that's why I believe that the customer now is looking for something is fast enough for them to deploy. Let's say, for example, we are talking about the open AI or whatever kind of the generative AI solution. So they are thinking about a few seconds. After a few seconds, they can get some feedback. I do believe that that's the trend. Okay, so today the welcome section is almost to the end, but every time, okay, we want to let the new member, okay, have some kind of the call to action. As you know that because different members have different agenda. So that's why I really want to know about Edward and also the Ivan. What's the call to action? Let's say, for example, you are still looking for some of the good partner working with you, or you really want to have the more interaction with the Microsoft for specific area, or you are looking for enterprise customer or whatever things. Okay, may I pass the time to Edward? Okay, so that's why you can tell us a little bit more about in your territory what's the call to action. So that's why the audience know how to have a chances to work with you or interact with you together.
All right, thank you, Aaron. Well, as I mentioned, I think we are really focused on the Asia Pacific global rollout with managed service. So we understand that every different Microsoft partner have their own strength, right? But so in the Microsoft ecosystem, I think we can work together. So it is, we are not solo, right? We are not solo. So we are looking for open opportunity working with different kind of partner and on the Asia platform, on the OpenAI platform, right? So make market bigger and bigger. So we are not siloed. So we are welcome to other Microsoft business partner and a customer, and then we are working together to make a better future.
Okay, thank you so much. How about you, Ivan?
I'm very short. Okay. Hello, friends. Okay. If you have any issue, any concern, any business related to China, if you need help, please reach out to me. Thank you all. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I do believe that after your sharing, your call to action or presentation or other things, okay, we do believe that we are on the same boat because IAMCP, our duty is to let all those partners have the chances to interact together, no matter you are talking about the Microsoft partner, the customer or whatever. So this is something we will work together in the coming days. So I do believe that we will invite you to have a lot of the sharing with us together. And of course, I will also invite the Microsoft people to have some part of the interaction with us, especially for the coming days talking about the AI transformation. I do believe that that's something related to your solution and your offering also. So before the end of this recon section, CK, do you have anything you want to share with us, or maybe you are interested to have a closing remark after this kind of conversation?
Okay, thank you, Aaron. So again, hopefully after these sessions, right, we can continue with the momentum. Okay, not just for these sessions, going forward, whether locally in Malaysia, ASEAN, Hong Kong, China, or anywhere else, right? As long as there is SA Global, as long as there is IMCP, we hope that our team member across the world can also work together with SA Global teams, so that to promote the community, the services and things like that. So again, thank you so much to Edward and Ivan.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everybody. So, okay, maybe we say goodbye to the audience and then wish them have a very nice weekend, have a very happy FY24. Good Friday. Okay, okay. Sorry, I'm thinking too fast. Okay, so maybe we say goodbye to everybody. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.